universal language, how music shapes our lives. Music is much more than just a collection of pleasant sounds or a catchy rhythm. It is a universal language that connects people from every country and culture in the world. You do not need to speak the same language as the singer to enjoy a lovely melody or a dance to a fast beat. Experts believe that music is actually very good for our physical and mental health. It can help us feel relaxed after a long day at work, or it can make us feel excited and happy before a big event with our friends. Music is extremely useful in our daily lives for many different reasons. For example, many students like to play soft, classical music to help them concentrate while they are doing their homework or studying for exams. Other people prefer to listen to loud, fast music when they are at the gym because it gives them extra power and motivation to finish a tough workout. We also use music to change the feeling of a room. A quiet song can make a busy cafe feel peaceful, while a bright song can make a boring chore, like cleaning the house, feel like a fun game. Also, music is closely linked to our personal memories and our past. Have you ever heard an old song on the radio and suddenly remembered a person or a place from a long time ago? This happens because our brains connect sounds with our deepest emotions. For many people, music is like a time machine that helps them remember happy moments from their childhood or special trips with their family. Today, modern technology makes it very easy to find, listen to, and share new music with everyone. We can listen to famous artists from all over the world with just one simple click on the internet. Music is a huge part of our culture and our long history as human beings. It is used to celebrate happy moments like weddings, birthdays, and national holidays. Even if you are not a professional musician, music is a wonderful tool for your life. It helps us express our feelings when we cannot find the right words. And it makes every single day much more interesting and colorful.